Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download 1Password app and enable emergency kit easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the 1Password app, start by opening your device's App Store. For iOS users, this is the App Store. For Android users, head to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type 1Password and press enter. Locate the official 1Password app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its page. Now, click on the Download or Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the 1Password app. You will be prompted to create an account or sign in if you already have one. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once your account is created, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Emergency Kit. Tap on it to access your emergency kit details. The emergency kit contains important information like your secret key. Be sure to write down your emergency kit details. Store this information in a safe place. This will help you recover your account if needed. Finally, familiarize yourself with the app's features. This includes how to store passwords and sensitive information securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.